Welcome to the Gyaldem Kitchen, and today I'm gonna make you a wellness shot with my omega. Let's go. First things first, grab your ingredients. Green apple, lime, some ginger, find a little piece of cucumber, got some mint in our bag, freshly ground turmeric. Grab your cutting board and your knife and one bowl, and let's start cutting the ingredients now. Look, almost me forget the mint. Sprinkle a little turmeric. Cover him. And can put that in the fridge. Me and hubby gonna take a shot.
Put some food coloring to make it look better. Looks like baby diarrhea.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Oh, more.